Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to unmasking the enigma, exploring the uncharted territories of AI's mysteries. Is ChatGPT taking your jobs? The AI threat simplified. ChatGPT, the new AI tool that's causing quite a stir. But here's the burning question. Is ChatGPT stealing your job? Imagine this. A fancy robot that can chat like a human, helping students with assignments and professionals in all sorts of fields. Sounds amazing, right? Well, it is. But there's a catch. With its incredible abilities, ChatGPT can automate repetitive tasks like customer service, data entry, and basic research. That means some jobs might be at risk of disappearing or shrinking. But wait, there's more. ChatGPT's smart chatbots are changing the game in customer service. They can handle customer inquiries, provide support, and even solve problems. That's convenient for customers, but what about the human customer service reps? Their jobs might be in jeopardy. Content creation is also feeling the impact. ChatGPT can generate articles, blog posts, and creative writing that sound just like a human wrote them. It's not a replacement for skilled writers, but it can definitely speed things up. So if you're in the content creation business, watch out. Researchers and analysts are not immune either. ChatGPT can process huge amounts of data in a flash and help with research and analysis. It's like having a super smart assistant. But what about the researchers and analysts? Will they be needed as much? So here's the bottom line. ChatGPT is impressive, but it might shake up the job market. Routine tasks could be automated, customer service reps might have competition from chatbots, content creators could face faster content generation, and researchers might see their roles change. But fear not. Instead of worrying, let's adapt and grow. Embrace new skills like AI programming, data analysis, and critical thinking. Let's find ways to work alongside ChatGPT, not against it. So, is ChatGPT taking your job? It's a possibility. But with the right mindset and new skills, you can stay one step ahead. Embrace the AI revolution, and let's shape the future together. To safeguard ourselves in this situation, we can take a few simple steps. First, let's keep learning and improving our skills throughout our lives. By staying updated and acquiring new knowledge, we can adapt to the changing job market. Second, let's focus on developing skills that are difficult to automate, such as communication, creativity, and problem solving. These human-centric skills will always be valuable. Third, let's stay open to new opportunities and explore emerging industries. By being flexible and willing to try new things, we can find areas less susceptible to automation. Finally, let's embrace collaboration with automation tools like ChatGPT. By working together with AI, we can enhance our productivity and focus on tasks that require our unique human abilities. With these approaches, we can navigate the changing landscape and thrive in the face of automation. Subscribe our channel for more videos like this and keep yourself updated.